Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Metro, a command line interface tool that's included in Nylo. So you can use this tool to actually create things like controllers, pages, models, events, themes, and more. You can learn more at the documentation page here. If you just head over to nylo.dev and just docs and then Metro. So there's kind of two ways you can get started. You can either run commands using the longer version in the terminal, so you can head over to here and just run commands like this, and you'll see you still get the same output. Or if you prefer just to write Metro each time like this, just write Metro. You'll see it's a bit shorter and easier to remember than the other version. So if you do want to just use Metro rather than the longer version, what you need to do is first head over to your bash profile. Again, this is actually only for Mac, unfortunately, but yeah, if you have Windows, there might be a similar way to do this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your terminal and type in sudo open bash profile, and what this will do is just open up a window that you can insert new aliases and other pieces of script. So all you need to do for Metro is just add this one line of code. So if you just add this somewhere in your file and then save. Once that's saved, just head back over to the terminal and just run this command source bash profile, and that's all you need to do. So if you head back over to your terminal and just make sure that you create a new one, kind of like a new session, and just give it a try, you should have the same results. So now you can start just writing Metro rather than the longer command. So now that we've got that set up, let's take a deep dive into some of the things that we can create. So let's start with models, which is quite a fairly easy one. So yeah, in your application you might need to create models, and there's a few different ways you can do it in Nylo, and one is just running this command, make model product, for instance, and this will create us a new model called product, kind of an empty class. Or if you attach storable like so, if I just create a new model, let's call it a car. This will just add some additional stuff like be able to make it storable. You can kind of learn more about storables here, but yeah, essentially that's how you can create things. Creating pages is another useful one. So in your application you might need obviously different pages to navigate your user around your application, and you can do that with this command. So yeah, you just need to run Metro make page and then just have the name of the page. So we could call it let's just call it login, and this will just create us a login page inside our pages. As you can see here, it's create the two that we just made. So really useful stuff. You can also attach a controller to pages as well. So for instance, if we wanted a register page with a controller, we can also do that with the -c, and you'll see this one is slightly different. This register page, you see it's actually created a controller for us and assigned it to our page, so we can just start using that in our code. So yeah, I won't get into all of them, but I hope this kind of gives you an idea really of how you can start using Metro to make your life a bit easier creating things in your application. If you want to learn more, definitely check out the docs. I'm going to end this video here, but if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.